Good morning, children. Welcome to today's maths class. Today, we are going to learn one method to solve the given pair of linear equations. Actually, we have three different methods to solve any pair of linear equations. They are substitution method, the first one, substitution method, second one, elimination method, and third one, cross multiplication method. Okay, by using any of these three methods, we can solve any pair of linear equations. Okay, now let us solve the problems from the exercise 3.3 by using the first method, that is substitution method. Okay, now look at this. Here there are two equations, x plus y is equal to 14 and x minus y is equal to 4. Let us solve these two equations by using substitution method. Okay, now look at this. Let us take the two given equations as first equation and second equation. Okay, now observe the method very carefully. By using this method, we can solve many problems. Now look at this. From the equation 1, what is the equation 1? X plus y is equal to 14. Okay, let us subject x from this equation. Means from this x is equal to, means transpose y to RHS. We get 14 minus y. X is equal to 14 minus y. We got one more equation. Let us take it as equation 3. Now substitute the value of x in 2, means this value of x 14 minus y should be substituted in the equation 2. This implies we get x minus y, x value. What is the x value? Actually x minus y is equal to 4. In the place of x we have to substitute 14 minus y. 14 minus y. X minus y can be taken as x minus y is equal to 4. In the place of x we can take 14 minus y. Now 14 minus y minus 2y is equal to 4. Now this can be written as minus 2y is equal to 4 plus 14 can be taken this side. Minus 2y is equal to minus 10. Therefore 2y is equal to 10 and y is equal to 10 by 2, that is 5. Now let us substitute. Now we got the value of y. Let us substitute y is equal to 5 in the equation 3. Then we get, this implies in the equation 3 if you substitute the y value 14 minus y. What is the y value? Y is 5. So 14 minus 5 is 9. Therefore x is equal to 9 and y is equal to 5. Okay, this is the solution for the given pair of linear equations. Okay, this is the way to solve the pair of linear equations by using substitution method. Let us solve one more problem from the exercise. Okay, the given equations are s minus t is equal to 3 and the second equation s by 3 plus t by 2 is equal to 6. Okay, now look at this. Let us take the first equation as equation 1 and this one equation 2. Okay, what did we do? We have to take, as we have done in the first problem, we have to take the first equation from 1. What is first equation? S minus t is equal to 3. Let us subject s. S is equal to 3. Minus t, if you transpose to that side, we get s is equal to 3 plus t. Let us take this equation as 3. Now substitute the value of s in equation 2. Okay, in this equation we have to substitute. This implies s by 3. What is the s value? 3 plus t by 3 plus t by 2 is equal to 6. Let us simplify this. Okay, now cross multiplication, 2 into 3 plus t plus 3 into t is equal to 3 to the 6 is equal to 6. Now 2 3 is 6 plus 2t plus 3t is equal to 36. Now look at this. 6 plus 2t plus 3t is 5t is 36, implies 5t is equal to 36 minus 6. So 5t is equal to 30. Therefore t is equal to 30 by 5 is equal to 6. We got the t value. Now substitute the value of t in the equation 3. Now let us substitute this value of t in the equation 3. What is the equation 3? S is equal to, this implies S is equal to 3 plus t. 3 plus t value 6. Therefore that is 9. Okay, we got the two values, S value and t value. Therefore S is equal to 9 and t is equal to 6. This is the solution for the given pair of linear equations. Okay. Now look at the third problem. The given equation is 3x minus y is equal to 3 and the second equation 9x minus 3y is equal to 9. Okay, let us take the first equation from 1. 3x minus y is equal to 9. Now let us subject x. This implies we can write 3x is equal to 9. If you transpose minus y to RHS, we get like this. This implies x is equal to 9 plus y by 3. Say this is the equation 3. Now this x value we have to substitute. Remember the method which we have used in the previous problems. So x is equal to 9 plus y by 3. Let us substitute this in the equation 2. Substitute x is equal to 9 plus y by 3 in equation 2. So this implies we get, in this place we have to substitute x value. What is the x value? Here we have to write 9 plus y whole by 3 minus 3y is equal to 9. Okay, let us solve y from this. Now 3 3's, so this implies 3 into y, 3 into 9 27 plus 3y minus 3y is equal to 9. Now plus 3y minus 3y we can cancel. Then we get, now once look at this, here in the place of 9x minus 9x, 9 into 9 plus y by 3 minus 3y is equal to 9. Here 3 9 are 27 plus 3y minus 3y. So we get 27 is equal to 9. Here look at this small correction from the equation 1. What is equation 1? 3x minus y is equal to 3. Then 3x is equal to y, 3 plus y. So this is equal to 3 plus y by 3. Now x is equal to 3 plus y by 3. Now let us substitute this x is equal to 3 plus y by 3 in the equation 2. Here 3 plus y by 3. Then we get, now look at this. Now 3 into 3 9 plus 3y minus 3y is equal to 9. Now 9 is equal to 9. So whenever you get like this, we can't find the x and y values because the two given equations are dependent equations. Means there will be infinite solutions for them. Why? Because already we have discussed in the previous exercises that here a1 by a2, b1 by b2, c1 by c2 will be equal. So in such conditions we get the answer like this. Here we have to write, therefore there are infinite solutions. Okay. Now look at this fourth problem. Here let us take these two equations 1 and 2. Now look at this. The numbers are decimal numbers. Observe here 0.2, 0.3, 1.3, 0.4, 0.5, 2.3. So every number there is only one number after the decimal point. So let us multiply the first equation with 10 and the second equation also with 10. Why? Because see, if you multiply the first equation with 10, we get 10 into 0.2x, 10 into 0.3y is equal to 10 into 1.3. So this will be 10 into 0.2 2x, 10 into 0.33y, 10 into 1.3 30. So that first equation has become like this. Now implies the second equation also, if you multiply with 10, you will get, what is that? 0.4. 10 into 0.4x plus 10 into 0.5y, 10 into 2.3. Then we get 10 into 0.4 4x, 10 into 0.5 5y, 10 into 2.3 23. Okay. Now these two we have to take the equations 1 and 2. Okay, understand? Now let us solve these two. It is difficult to solve these two problems with the two equations with the decimal point. That's why I multiplied with 10. Then we get the numbers without decimal points. Okay, now let us take these two equations from 1. What is the first equation? 2x plus 3y is equal to 13. Now from this 2x is equal to 13 minus 3y. Then what is x? 13 minus 3y by 2. Say this is the equation 3. So that is the procedure. Procedure you should remember. So whenever you get two equations, to solve those equations in the substitution method, first of all you have to take the first equation. From the first equation we have to subject any one of the variables like this. Okay, then we get another equation. Now substitute x is equal to 13 minus 3y by 2 in the equation 2. Then we get, where is the second equation? 4 into 13 minus 3y by 2, okay, plus 5y is equal to 23. Now 2 2's are, now we get 2 into 13 26, 2 into 3 6y plus 5y is equal to 23. Now I'll erase this. Now let us continue. 26 minus 6y plus 5y is minus y is equal to 23. Minus y is equal to 23 minus 26. If you take 26 to RHS, minus y is equal to minus 3. Therefore y is equal to 3. We got the y value. Now let us substitute this y value. Y is equal to 3 in the equation 3. So this is the third equation. Then we get the x value. This implies x is equal to 13 minus 3y. So y value is 3. 3 into 3 by 2. 13 minus 9 means 4 by 2. 4 by 2 means 2. Therefore, x is equal to, what is the x value? 2 and y is equal to 3. This is the solution for these two equations, pair of linear equations. Okay.